Hello, my name is Anne, and this is Toby, and welcome to a Tobyknits Vlogmas Day 23. Day 23. Oh my gosh, it's nearly here. It's nearly here. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I've got no Advents to open every day. Talking about Advents, I actually did open them earlier today. It is now 5:46, and we've had a really busy day, Atlantic time, and we've had a really busy day. This morning we went to IKEA and walked around there, got something for the kids there, and then we had lunch there. They've changed the menu at IKEA. It's kind of different. I don't know if it's the same on all of the IKEAs, but this one definitely has different menu now. And then this afternoon we came back home. I watched Paw Patrol with Leo for a bit while Megan had a run, and then and Sonny was napping, of course. And then of course then I had to have a nap because, you know, it's the law. And then Megan and I went out with the kids over to her brother's house and fed the cats, picked up Sean, you know. So we were in and out a lot, and we did try to go for a walk this morning. It was freezing. Like, I'm bone chilling cold. And it was the wind? Yeah. Oh. Say hello, Bob.
Hello, Bob. Dishes.
So yeah, we ended up coming, but we didn't go very far at all. I wanted to go down and still keep wanting to check out that building that caught fire, and I'd like to go to Violet Unicorn, but I don't think that's going to happen. So yeah. So today's Advents, I just opened them after my nap today, and I didn't even think to pick the camera up. I haven't thought to pick it up all day today. We've just been having so much fun with the kids. But I'll show you what I did get. This was Toft, so it's two more of these that they must be getting used somehow for the puppet that I'm sure we're making. I just have no idea how this will get put together. I haven't looked at the instructions for today's clue, putting it together, because I'm not putting it together till I get home. So I've actually stopped watching the videos the last 2 or 3 days, and you know, I'll get back at it. Bothy, oh, it was our final chart, and this was the one for that beautiful blue fabric. Remember that had been painted, and this is what we're making. Look at it. I love it. It's Santa Claus blowing a kiss. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that lovely, hon?
Oh, wow, yeah.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
And it also came with beads and sparkles. So maybe they're snowflakey things. So that'll be cool. Oh yeah, they're all over his beard and stuff. So that'll be a nice one to do. Got so many plans for all these when I get back. I don't know. So it says here, on the penultimate day of our Advent, we can reveal the magical Make-A-Wish design by Julie Oldham. With metallic snowflake kisses, this design is full of Christmassy vibes. Okay, Bob, you ready?
What? Yeah.
What did the stamp say to the Christmas card?
The stamp say to the Christmas card.
Yes. What did the stamp say to the Christmas card? Oh, gosh.
I don't know. It's going to be something real silly.
Yeah. Stick with me. We'll go places.
This is day 23, right?
You go one more day, babe. Poor Bob. So, yeah. So, I'm sorry for keep turning you around. I wish I had one that, you know, could flip, but anyway. So that was my Advents. And then last night, I worked on the little robin. the start of Robin #2. So I worked on that last night and got that done. We watched a movie. It was actually a Christmas movie. It was not with the kids. It was Sean, Megan, Bob, and I. And it was, what was that movie called?
I don't know, something with Jack
It
Black.
had Jack Black in it. He was the devil or something. So, but it was quite funny. And then today I did a little bit on the cuff for Bob's second sleeve. So that's basically.
Yes, that's not going to be ready for Christmas.
No, that's not going to be ready for Christmas, hon. Oh, but I'll have something to knit all the way home on, so
Yay!
that'll work.
Yay!
So yeah, so this is very short. I'm really sorry. It's only like 5 or 6 minutes. But, oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Hang on.
Sort of glad she's not done that arm because it's going to be a quiet ride.
Oh, get out of it. What is he like? So yeah, I'm going to go watch a movie with the kids now. And then I don't know if I'll be able to knit or, although I do have my neck light, so I can put my neck light on if I want to carry on cross stitching or knitting some more tonight. But yeah, that's it. Tomorrow I think we're having a stay-at-home day. I'm not sure what we're up to, but yeah, so it'll be good. Talked to Andrew a few times this week, and Tristan and Ev, I FaceTimed with them. Evie's like,
Talk to them.
yeah, yesterday I talked to Tristan and Ev, and Ev comes on the phone and she's like, Nana, when are you coming home? I was like, in a few more days. And then of course, he turns the phone over to Tristan, and Tristan's got the big,
Oh, yeah.
he's so shy. And I'm like, it's Nana. But he gets all shy when he has to say hello to somebody. So, but anyway, yeah, so I've been talking to them, and so yeah, I miss them when I'm here, and yet I miss these guys when I'm there. It's just, you know, it's the way it is, the way it is. And anyway, I'm gonna go, I'm rambling, so I will let you go, and I'll see you all tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have a little bit more to video. Okay, bye.